part 2 of Behind the Brand. So if you haven't already checked out part 1, make sure you like and subscribe on this channel. I Love Driving Slow is not about slow cars. If you thought it's about driving slow literally, that's not what we're about. We're a premier safe driving movement based in Tampa, Florida, and with this channel I plan to really show you what we do here in Tampa, Florida. It's a little bit between cars, and it's a little bit between just the lifestyle of what we do as car people. We go out, we support our city. It's about fashion, lifestyle, everything all compiled into one. Pretty much what I was thinking when I started this brand. I figured there's always those people that have fast cars that are very reserved. Like they know their car's fast, but they don't have to prove it. More or less, you have like the older folks. Like they might have like a brand new GTR, but when you see it, they're not like wide open throttle, like just hauling ass everywhere. Like they're just chilling. So the concept behind the brand was really to showcase the lifestyle of the car person in regards to the car. Whether you're rolling with your girl or you're hanging out on the weekends with your friends, it's very humble. But at the same time, just like any good movie, there's a climax. So for us, that climax is a track event. For example, Backlash, April 7th. Come check it out. So yeah, we want to drive fast. Like no one in any car community that I know is just about one type of car hobby. Like whether it be sound or whether it be hooking the car up to go faster. Everyone has like what their favorite part of the car community is.
Today, I'm heading over to my print shop. As some of you may know, I'm also co-owner of Debonair Prints, a screen printing company. We do graphic design as well as custom stickers, not only for our brand, but for other customers as well. So this was one of the investments that I made after starting I Love Driving Slow. So at Debonair District, you have I Love Driving Slow, my brand. You also have Debonair Prints, which is our print shop. So we're located right here in Ybor City, actually right nearby the skate park in Tampa. Guys, what's happening?
What it is.
Cooling. Feeling good?